So now we're going to look at the types of folds. But before that, let us look at the parts of a fold mountain. Now, in every fold mountain, there is an imaginary line that divides the fold mountain into two parts. That imaginary line is known as the axial plane, or in short, you can call it the axis. The axial plane can be vertical or diagonal. It all depends on the intensity and the resistance of the rocks of the mountain. And the two halves are known as the limbs. So we say that the intensity of the folding and resistance of the rocks determine the different types of fold. The types ranges from simple to complex. So now let's look at the types. First, we have the simple or the symmetric fold. It is a type of fold which has a relatively gentle and uniform lips. So with a simple fold, they have gentle and uniform lips. That means the lips are the same. And they also have a vertical axial plane. And this happens when the compressional force acting on the two plates are of equal strength. This produces folds with gentle and uniform slopes. Example can be found in Snowdon and in England. So this is the Snowdon in England. Secondly, we have inclined or asymmetric fold. So the first one was simple or symmetric, and the second one is inclined or asymmetric fold. That is where one limb of a fold mountain is steeper than the other. So here the axial plane is diagonal because one of the limbs is much more steeper than the other. It is formed when the compressional force is stronger in one side than the other side and causes one of the limbs of the fold to be steeper than the other. So you can see here that the compressional force on this side was stronger than the compressional force on this side. And so you could see that this side is much more steeper than that side. And an example include the New Hampshire Basin in England. So this is the New Hampshire Basin in England. So now we've looked at two types. We have the simple and the inclined, or the symmetric and the asymmetric folds.